I'm going to cast on 44 stitches using the long tail cast on, and I'm using it with 2 strands of yarn held together. So what I'm doing first is making a slip knot using 2 ends of yarn held together, and we're going to pull this out at the end. So this doesn't really count. It's like an anchor stitch. But then I will go ahead and do the long tail cast on. The reason that I do this is so that I don't have to guesstimate how much yarn I need and then tie a loop in the middle of the yarn, and then inevitably you're doing the long tail cast on and you run out of yarn. This way I'm starting from the beginning of both ends of yarn and I know that I won't run out. This does give you one more end to weave in, but I think it's worth it, especially because we're seaming this bad boy anyway. Let's see here. Let's do a quick count. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That is 30. 35. 40, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Now I'm going to make sure and cut this shorter yarn. I'm using up some bits and pieces. So in the actual kit, of course, your ball of yarn is going to be full-sized. Fear not.